Need to jot down a talk fast? Here's a shortcut you will love. Double pressing the side button on your Galaxy S25 Ultra to instantly open a new note in Samsung Note, ready for typing. It's fast, simple, and perfect for keyboard user. So let's set it up. Go to the setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. Select Samsung Note. Tap the settings icon next to it. And then select type note. To see how it works, double press the side button. As you can see, a blank note will open instantly in keyboard mode, ready for typing. If your phone is locked, you will be asked to enter your current screen lock first, and then it will open the note. It's a fast way to start typing ideas the moment they come to you, great for shopping lists, reminders, or anything you don't want to forget. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.